So Cody, what are we fixing to do with this little 36? I know this is your favorite mower.
Yeah, we'll see what this, we're going to take this little Revolting mower
Look at what we're putting it on.
and give it a real test.
Cody's going to put it on this, and he's going to film it for your viewing pleasure. So this was an old hospital helicopter pad. Nice. You couldn't even see this when we went to go mow, could you? Look at that field out there. You guys,
About 12 foot tall, so it's fine.
if you go back to the intro video, that's where I walked in at, from over there.
Well, now last week we came out here to clean up the old hospital property that had been swallowed whole by neglect. Tall grass, overgrowth, and trash. The sort of place that nature didn't even just take over, but started charging rent. But after the mowing was done, the big fields were finally knocked down, something unexpected showed up in the far back. At first, it didn't look like much, just another patch of concrete hiding under the mess. But once we got closer, we realized that this wasn't just some forgotten slab. It was a helicopter pad, a hidden landing spot once meant for patients who need help fast, buried under years of weeds, dirt, and nobody paying attention. Honestly, don't know if the owner even remembered it was back here. But today, we're giving this little piece of property the attention it deserves. We're cleaning it up, trimming it out, bringing it back from, what is that, to, oh, that's actually pretty cool. And if you missed the full hospital cleanup from last week, the video is linked down in the description. Stick around to the end and let us know what you think of this hidden find. And if you enjoy watching forgotten places get cleaned up one section at a time, like the video, subscribe, and come walk the property with us. Because apparently, this old hospital still had one more secret left in the grass.
Alrighty, all done. Now, by no means is it perfect yet, but as we start to maintain it, we'll get it into shape a little bit more. And there's that guy over there.